You can feel it, can't you? Companies aren't waiting to figure AI out ethically. I've been in the gaming industry for almost a decade. I've watched companies lay off hundreds of people and replace them with tools that cost like $20 a month. If you're not adapting, you're already behind. I'm going to show you exactly which jobs are most at risk, why everyone's getting this wrong, and the one strategy that actually protects you when the AI wave hits your industry. Everyone's telling you the same bullshit. Just be more creative. But I'm watching creative directors get replaced by AI that can generate concepts faster than they can sketch them. Just focus on people skills. I'm seeing project managers whose entire workflows are now handled by AI assistants that never miss deadlines and don't need coffee breaks. What used to take a team of 12 people 3 months now probably takes 2 people in 2 weeks. The jobs getting hit first aren't the obvious ones like data entry. They're knowledge work, creative work, management work. The stuff we thought made us irreplaceable. AI isn't coming for jobs randomly. It's following a very predictable pattern. Understanding this pattern is the difference between getting blindsided and getting ahead. Wave 1 hit 5 years ago. Repetitive tasks. Customer service, basic data analysis, simple content creation. Most people saw this coming. Wave 2 is happening right now. Cognitive work. AI is writing legal briefs, diagnosing medical conditions, creating marketing strategies. This is the wave that's catching everyone off guard because we thought thinking was uniquely human. But wave 3 is what should keep you up at night. Relationship work. AI is starting to handle therapy sessions, sales calls, even performance reviews. When wave 1 hit, companies started to value analytical thinking more. When wave 2 hit, they started valuing emotional intelligence. Whatever you think makes you valuable today, AI will be doing tomorrow. But there's one type of person who not only survives all 3 waves, they actually become more valuable because of them. I was talking to a game designer last week who told me something that blew my mind. He said, I used to spend 60% of my time on documentation and 40% on actual design. Now, AI handles the documentation, so I spend 100% of my time designing. This is the AI multiplier effect. They're not trying to do what AI does. They're doing what only they can do, but using AI to handle everything else. This only works if you actually know what your unique value is. Most people don't. They think they're valuable because they can write reports or manage projects or analyze data. But AI can do all of that now. The people who survive aren't the ones who can do everything. They're the ones who can do the one thing that matters more than everything else combined. There's exactly one career strategy that makes you AI-proof. AI changes too fast. By the time you learn one tool, there are 10 new ones. Here's what actually works. Become the person who decides what problems are worth solving. AI can solve problems incredibly well, but it can't decide which problems matter. It can't understand business context, human needs, or strategic priorities the way a human can. Most importantly, it can't take responsibility for those decisions. AI is great at execution.
Now jump. Out the window.
And it's terrible at problem definition.
Did you hear something?
And once you know your problem space, there's a specific way to position yourself that makes you indispensable. Old hierarchy, junior to senior to manager to director to VP. New hierarchy, problem solver to problem owner to problem creator. Problem solvers use AI to solve known problems faster. This is most people. This is also the most replaceable level. Problem owners understand specific problem domains so well that they become the go-to person for that entire category of challenges. This is where you want to be. And problem creators identify new problems before anyone else even realizes they exist. This is the top of the food chain. Here's a real example. In gaming, everyone's focused on making games faster and cheaper. But the real problem isn't production efficiency. It's player attention in an attention economy. The person who owns that problem, who can define it clearly and create solutions around it, they become irreplaceable. Your job security doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from what problems you own. Here's the step-by-step process to make yourself AI-proof in the next 90 days. Step 1, audit your work for the last month. What problems did you actually solve? Not tasks, problems. Step 2, find the pattern. What type of problems show up repeatedly? What's the underlying theme? Step 3, go deeper. Research everything about that problem space. Who else is working on it? What solutions exist? What gaps are there? Step 4. Start talking about it. Write posts, give presentations, have conversations. Become known as the person who understands X problem. Step 5. Use AI to amplify your problem solving and not replace it. Let AI handle research, documentation, analysis, and you focus on insights, strategy, and decisions. When people have that type of problem, they'll come to you. Not because you're the smartest or most experienced, but because you own that territory. The gaming industry taught me that the biggest changes happen gradually, and then suddenly. AI displacement will feel the same way. One day, you'll wake up and realize the game changed overnight. But you have an advantage right now. You know this is coming. Now, if this helped you think differently about your career in AI, I'd love to know what problem territory you're going to claim. Drop a comment below. And if you want more strategies for navigating your career, please like and subscribe to this channel.